let's talk about stepper in UI kit. Let's talk about stepper in UI kit. So first of all, we're gonna create on this step stepper wave controller subclass of UI wave controller. Okay, we're gonna complete on this is first of all we're gonna create on this wave controller. Okay, and we're gonna create on this stepper instance in this wave controller. So what is the stepper? A control that perform an increment and decrement action in UI kit. A control, a UI stepper. So sorry, we're gonna call this UI steppers. A control that perform increment and decrement actions in UI kit. So we're gonna create on this instance. Let stepper is equal to UI stepper. We're gonna create on this instance. Okay, and we're gonna create on this instance. Suppose we can have label. Label is equal to UI label. We can show on this stepper's value. Okay, we're gonna create on this instance label to UI label instance, and we're gonna create on this steppers method. Steppers dot, we're gonna calling on this first is reps is equal to false. What is reps methods? By setting UI stepper property ref the false, you will ref the false. UI stepper property ref the false, you will make it resume from the beginning when the when the maximum value is reached. When the maximum value is reached, from the beginning is resume the maximum value is. First of all, we're going to use false, and we're going to call another stepper method stepper dot auto repeat, and auto repeat is equal to true. This is a bool method. What is the auto repeat method? To make UI stepper continuously change its value when its user taps and hold the button. User auto repeat property. User auto repeat property value change in the stepper value was changed. To make UI stepper continuously change its value when its user takes hold button by using auto repeat stepper properties. And secondly, calling on this stepper dot maximum value, stepper dot maximum value, minimum value and maximum set on this minimum value and max. Suppose which have maximum value is equal to is 100. Okay, set on this maximum value, suppose which is 100, and we're gonna apply on this action. We're gonna call in this objc function objc at the rate, not at the rate objc func. We can calling on this stepper function stepper value change. Stepper value changed. Okay, stepper value changed, and we're gonna set on this value sender. Suppose this is a sender, sender, which is type of UI stepper. This is UI stepper, and we can set on this UI stepper. This is a force unwrap. UI stepper is unwrap is surely UI stepper, and we can apply on this objc function. Suppose this our is label property, label dot text. Label dot text is set on this stepper value and is equal to, we can set on this string UI stepper, set on this UI stepper value is, we can use of string interpolation in UI kit. So we can set up this integer initializers, colon type casting on this integer sender dot value. We can call him on the sender dot value. This is a stepper value sender dot value. Sender is our parameter of UI stepper type. We can set on this UI stepper type. We can apply on this stepper add action stepper dot add action. This is the stepper dot add action. We're gonna calling on this add action methods actions for this action is self, and we can set on hash selector method. Hash selector step change value is calling on the step change value in this hash selector method, and dot value changed, calling on this value changed. Okay, we're gonna apply on this constant in this our label and stripper. We're gonna apply on this stripper constant stripper dot add subview. Sorry, we can default view. We're gonna use the default view dot add subview, and we're gonna add on this stripper, and we're gonna apply on this constant stripper dot translate authorization constants equal to false, and ns layout constants equal to dot activate array of constant, ns layout constant dot activate is equal to, and we're gonna apply on this constant stripper. Sorry, we can set of stripper dot center x anchor dot constants equal to view dot center x anchor, and we can set on this stripper dot center y anchor dot constants equal to view dot center y anchor. So we can set on this x and y. We will not apply on this weight width. We can set up the height and width apply. We can set on stripper dot height anchor with anchor. We can apply with anchor dot constants equal to constant equal to constant. Suppose this is a 200, and we're gonna apply on this stripper height anchor dot constants equal to constant. This is a 100 height. We're gonna apply on this height of 100, and we're gonna apply on this label view dot add subview, and you can set on this label. Okay, we're gonna apply on this label dot translate authorization constant is equal to false, and we're gonna apply on this constant. This is a ns layout constant. Okay, dot activate array of constant, and we're gonna apply on this constant. This is the label. Sorry, label. We can set with label dot center x anchor dot constants equal to center x anchor dot constants equal to dot constants view dot center x anchor okay, and we're gonna apply center x anchor. We're gonna bring, and we're gonna apply on this center x anchor. We're gonna apply on this center x anchor comma dot constants. So 80. We're gonna apply this constants 80, and we're gonna apply on this label dot center y anchor dot constants equal to view dot center y anchor comma constants is 80. Apply on this 80, and we're gonna apply on this height and width. Suppose this label dot constants sorry, label dot with anchor. We're gonna apply label dot with anchor dot constants view with anchor, and we're gonna apply view dot with anchor, and we're gonna apply on this height. Sorry, with anchor equal to constant. We're gonna apply on this with anchor. Suppose this 300 in this with anchor, and we're gonna apply on this. Suppose this is a with anchor is 300. We're gonna apply on this height label dot height anchor dot constants equal to constant, and this is a 100. We can apply on this constant height is 100. Height is apply on this 100 height. Okay, we're gonna apply on this old constant. We're gonna run on this project. We can set on this initial view controller, and this is the XIB storyboards. This is steeper view controllers, and not we can steeper view and our classes we can extend class steeper view controller. Steeper this is the initial view controller. We're gonna run this project. We're gonna run this project. This is a steeper. Okay, steeper is calling tab on this plus. We can steeper is value is 1 and steeper value is 2, steeper value is 3, steeper value is 4. We can assign this 5, 1 and 4, and we can increment 1 by 1. We can set this increment 1 by 1 value on this increment. We're gonna check on this UI steeper view controllers. Suppose this is a label, and label we're gonna apply on this property. Suppose this is a label dot text color is equal to UI color dot red color dot red, and we're gonna apply this label property. Label dot font is equal to UI font dot bold system size, and this is a 22 font apply. We're gonna apply this label on this font, and we're gonna set on this maximum value is 1, maximum value is 100, and its minimum value is we can set on not setting this minimum value, and we're gonna set on this auto repeat is true and false. We can set on this value. Suppose whichever we can increment and decrement this value. Auto repeats and constant is equal to false, and not apply on this auto repeats constant is equal to false. Okay, so thank you for watching. We can use of enjoy learning about of UI steeper in Swift UI. UI steeper in UI kit tutorial. We're gonna apply on this. We're gonna apply on this plus. We can set on this plus steeper 4, steeper 5, steeper value is 8, steeper value is 9, 10, 11, 12. We can set on this UI steeper in UI kit. Okay, so this UI steeper in UI kit we can increment and decrement values, and we can change on this value, increment and decrement these values, and increment this is the increment and this is the decrement value. This is steeper. We can refs. So what is refs? This is a by setting UI steeper property ref false, you will make to resume from the beginning when its maximum value is reached. Auto repeat to makes UI steeper continuously changed its value when its user taps and hold the UI button is use the auto repeat property. We can change on this value. So this maximum value is 10. We can set UI steeper minimum value. We can set on this minimum. Suppose we're gonna set on this minimum value. This steeper dot minimum value. This minimum value is equal to suppose 20. We're gonna run on this project. Minimum value is 20. We're gonna run on steeper 20. 21, 23. This is 21, 23. 20 is initial value. We can set out 21, 22, 20. We can set out the increment on this large number on this increment. Suppose increment is minimum value is 0, and we can set on this minimum value is steeper dot steeper dot. We can set on this step value is equal to suppose is 10. So step value you can make the value increment by certain step. You can make the value increment by a certain step. We can set on the by this 10 by 10 increment in this project, in this UI 10 by 10 increment in step value. We can set on this step by step increment. Suppose this we can set on this 10 is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 100. Okay, set maximum value is 100. Okay, so this is the maximum value is 100. So we can stop on this maximum value, and this minimum value is 0. We're gonna stop on this dribble. UI step is 10 by 10. We can use of step in stepper in UI kit. So thank you for watching this video. We can use of enjoy.